Hi there, it's Mr. Humayun, head of school at Stockwood Park Academy. I have got especially dressed for this virtual remote assembly. I put on a tie and shirt. Um, it's been a while since I last spoke to you, and I thought it was a good opportunity to reconnect and just update you on how things are and some of the plans for us moving forward. I want to start off by just saying a massive thank you to all the year sevens, eights, nines, and tens for the phenomenal effort you put into getting a lot of the work completed that have been posted by your teachers. I know it's difficult and it's different, and sometimes it is hard to get motivated um, because you're doing schoolwork but you're not in school, and I know some of you have got additional challenges. You might have a lot of younger brothers or sisters who are trying to irritate you, so it is hard. So completely appreciate and understand the work that you've done, but also that your parents have done to help as well. The world, as I said, has changed drastically. I'm in Chalk at the moment, Chalk Hills Academy, um, and earlier on I went to the Tesco down the road just to pick something up, and there was a queue of about 50 people waiting to get in. So that's something that is I didn't experience before the COVID struck, and also when I'm walking down the street. People are walking towards me, but they seem to jump onto the other side of the road because nobody wants to be close to anyone. So things are different. But I think on a more serious note, the fact that we've had 34,000 people that have died as a result of the virus is a real tragedy, and you know it's hard to process and comprehend. And I know there's members of staff and also students and your families will have been affected, and that will take time to process and for us to kind of deal with. But we will support each other, and I know when you're back in school, it's something we will talk about because it is a lot has happened. Um, I know the school obviously isn't open at the moment, and we're waiting on government guidance. It will be hopefully there will be some face-to-face support for year tens and year 12s, but we're waiting, and we're not going to open the school unless we know it's safe, and it's safe for the teachers, some of who have got concerns, safe for students. I know some of you are worried, and your parents need to be reassured as well. And I know the feedback from many of them has been they're worried um, about the safety, your safety, um, and that's the situation around the country. Some of the work that your teachers have been doing over the last 2 months, setting work on show my homework, planning, having virtual meetings, so they're continuing to work hard. And as an SLT, we've been interviewing to make sure that the school is fully staffed. One of the things that you often say to me is, when you have a supply teacher, and that's not always great. So we're going to make sure the school is fully staffed when you do return, which is most likely going to be in September. So I want to just end by telling you that your teachers desperately do want to see you and do miss you, but you will come back when it's safe to do so. I hope you have a restful half-term break. Look after each other. Also, for those that are fasting, Ramadan is coming to an end now, and I think Eid will probably be on Sunday. So Eid Mubarak to those that do. Take care and see you soon. Bye.